small town and gay. I got a brother, he loves the weed. He's just looking for a daddy to please. I got a brother, he's lost in the booze. Be the first to tell you that he's nobody's fool. I turned 18 and I got the hell out. Had to find out what I was all about. I guess we're all just running away. Here tomorrow and gone yesterday. Are you all just running away? Pick up the pieces and find a new way, find a way.